Good morning. Open page number 14 of your chemistry book. Page number 14. Okay. So our topics: element, atom, metallic elements, non-metallic elements, metalloids, and noble gases are done. Page number 14. Okay. So today we are going to study about symbols, molecule, compound, chemical formula, and mixture. Okay. First is symbol. A symbol is the short form or abbreviated name of an element which distinguish one element from another, such as symbol of sulfur is S. So there are 118 elements in periodic table that are found in our earth crust. So each element have some symbol. Okay, each element, for example, uh, symbol of sulfur is S. Okay, symbol of sulfur is S. So symbol distinguish one element from another. Symbol distinguish one element from another, such as symbol of sulfur is S. Okay, symbol of hydrogen is H. Symbol of hydrogen is H. Symbol of helium is He. Capital H, small e. Symbol of helium is He. Okay. I will share. I will send you some symbols and their names in WhatsApp group. Okay. You will learn that. Okay. Okay. So as like symbol of sulfur is S. Symbol of hydrogen is helium. Sorry. Symbol of helium is He. Symbol of helium is He. Symbol of hydrogen is H. Symbol of lithium, Lithium. Lithium is L, capital I, small. Okay. So like these, we can distinguish one element from another using a symbol. Okay. Each element have a symbol. Oxygen. What is the symbol of oxygen? O. Okay. What is the symbol of oxygen? O. What is the symbol of nitrogen? N. N. Okay. What is the symbol of fluorine? Fluorine, symbol of fluorine is F. Okay. Symbol of boron. Boron is also an element. Symbol of boron is B. Okay. So in this way we can distinguish one element from another element using a symbol. Next topic is molecule. Atoms of the same element or different elements combine to form a molecule, which is the smallest particle of a pure substance, which can normally exist independently and retain the physical and chemical properties of substance. For example, diatomic molecule of nitrogen. Diatomic means di means two. Diatomic means in which two atoms of element are used. Diatomic. Di means two. Okay. So diatomic molecule of nitrogen means two nitrogen elements are used. What is diatomic molecule of nitrogen is N2. Symbol of nitrogen is N. And when you use diatomic molecule, di means two. So we use N2. Okay. Okay, so N2 is molecule. When two element, either it is same or different. Okay, so two nitrogen are combined here. Nitrogen, both are same. So this is also a molecule. Okay, when two nitrogen atoms are combined, it will form one molecule. When two oxygen atom are combined, O plus O is equal to O2. See here, O plus O is equal to O2. Okay, when two atoms are combined to get one, this we can call this as molecule. Okay, when two same element or different element combine, they will form a molecule. जब दो सेम या डिफरेंट एलिमेंट कंबाइन करते हैं, आपस में जुड़ते हैं, तो उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? मॉलिक्यूल. क्लियर? ओके. एग्जांपल इज नाइट्रोजन एंड ऑक्सीजन. क्लियर? Okay, read definition of compound. Mac, you read definition of compound. Okay. So, what is compound? Compound when two different elements are combined. Okay. When two different elements. But in molecule, same element or different element when combined, it will form molecule. But when two different element or atoms of element are combined, they will form compound. अगर दो डिफरेंट एलिमेंट कंबाइन करेंगे तो वो क्या बनेगा? कंपाउंड बनेगा. ओके, इन अ फिक्स्ड प्रोपोर्शन. क्लियर? फॉर एग्जांपल, व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ वाटर? H2O. फॉर्मूला ऑफ वाटर इज H2O. So what is H? H is hydrogen. Okay, so two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen are combined. Okay, two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen, when combined, they will form a compound which is called water. Okay. Okay. And molecule is when same element or different element combine, but not in a fixed proportion. Okay, like nitrogen, diatomic molecule of nitrogen. Two nitrogen are combined, N plus N is equal to N2. Diatomic molecule of oxygen, O plus O give rise to O2, oxygen diatomic molecule of oxygen. But what is compound? When two different elements combined in a fixed proportion, like two hydrogen, one oxygen. And similarly, carbon dioxide, CO2. Formula of carbon dioxide is CO2. One carbon, two oxygen. This is in a fixed proportion. Hydrogen, water is H2O, two hydrogen, one oxygen. And carbon dioxide, CO2, one carbon, two oxygen. Okay. Next is chemical formula. It is the representation of a substance, element or compound, means of symbol. For example, chemical formula of sodium chloride is NaCl. So when we want to represent a substance, okay, any compound, for example, water is a compound. Okay, so if we want to represent water in chemistry, we cannot write WATER. in chemistry, water. Okay, so we write H2O. How we write water in chemistry? H2O. Okay. Similarly, carbon dioxide. We cannot write carbon dioxide like CarbonDioxide carbon dioxide in chemistry. We write CO2. CO2 is chemical formula of carbon dioxide. Okay. When we do a equation, we cannot write the names like water, sodium chloride, carbon dioxide. We use only the chemical formulas like H2O, CO2. Okay. H2O, CO2, NaCl is chemical formula of sodium chloride. Sodium formula of sodium is Na, and chloride is Cl. Chloride means chlorine. Okay. So sodium Na, chloride Cl. This is a compound, sodium chloride. Two atoms are combining in this. Okay. Clear chemical formula? We cannot write the names in chemical equations when we do the reaction in chemistry. We cannot write the full name like water, carbon dioxide. We only write just the formulas like H2O, water, okay? CO2, carbon dioxide. We only write CO2. We only write H2O. Clear? So these are known as chemical formulas. Clear? Next is mixture. A mixture is an impure substance formed by combination of two or more pure substances mixed together in any ratio. Okay, so I will tell you further about what are pure substance and what are impure substance. Okay, so when two impure substances are combined, okay, they will form a mixture. Two impure substances are combined, they will form a mixture. Okay, clear all of you? So these definitions are the basics in chemistry: element, atoms, metallic elements, non-metallic elements, metalloids, noble gases, simple, molecule, compound, chemical formula, and mixture. Okay. So on Wednesday, I will take a test of these definitions. Just learn them. Okay. And also write it on your notebook. These definitions, write it on your notebook. Clear?